Hi, my name is Swati and today I'll be talking you through my mixed reality cooking system called Tastic. Tastic is a culmination of my coursework project for UX for emerging technology and intelligent environments. It brings together foundational concepts and projection mapping and computer vision to explore how future interfaces can reduce cognitive load, even in tasks that we're used to doing every day. I focused on cooking as the scope of the study because when we cook, we execute both well practiced and novel routines. In addition, we also do a lot of conscious optimization in the little choices that we make to reach our goals. My aim was to create a means of interaction suited specifically for the challenges of cooking, as well as a system that can algorithmically optimize the process of cooking many courses at the same time, such that the user doesn't have to think about the kitchen is full of challenges when following a recipe. The biggest pain point for some of the home cooks that I interviewed or as I observed in the study is accessing specific details of a recipe that are relevant. Users often have dirty hands or amidst loud noises and have flooded counters. It is often a problem for them. Tastic uses a laser projector to turn the user's counter into a display. All the information is on your countertop. Dirty hands aren't an issue, and no need of frustrating voices, and no need to worry about the clutter. Of all the information one needs for the step is right there, and when it's time to move on, the user needs to look no further than their own hands. Tastic uses a combination of depth imaging and color imaging to isolate the user's hands and calculate a fingertip for the cursor. It's able to close the loop between display and imaging, such as the user's counter becomes a touch screen. Tastic uses an API called Spoonacular and it has a library of recipes that can be added to easily so that the user can browse by different flags and select recipes that they are in the mood for them to confirm or even send themselves a grocery list. Alternatively, the user can scan the ingredients and they can have an algorithmic combination of the ingredients converted into recipes that they can cook. When cooking many courses at the same time before the user begins, Tastic goes through each step of recipe and records them to make sure that it's as optimized as possible. This is done by creating opportunities for concurrent cooking, meaning that any step that involves waiting for something to rise, boil, etc., can be switched away from to complete steps of another recipe until the highest priority waiting is done, or the new recipe can be switched from as well. This is the walkthrough of the live application that I've created using Adobe Aero. So as the user press scan items, the scanner opens up, and as the user scans a particular item, the item gets recognized and using depth measurement or weight estimation, the weight of the item is estimated using RGBD camera. So this is spaghetti. Spaghetti is also scanned and the weight is approximately calculated. And next, the user scans bolognese and the weight is also approximately calculated. And as the user scans almost all the main ingredients that they have, they press done. Upon pressing done, uh, the all the ingredients are algorithmically combined and recipes are given. And if the user needs anything else, it can be scanned as well. So, for example, the user scans 3 tea bags. They press done, and tea bags are calculated. As the user has scanned the main item, they press done again. And as they're not happy, they press the next button to go to the next recipes that they have. They like white tea and they add it to the chart. They press start, and all the ingredients are shown, and they don't have greater tea, so they just cancel it. Alternatively, the user can show a thumbs up, which means that they are happy to proceed. And then the recipe starts. This is the first step. The second step. On the left, you can see the timer. So the timer can be changed, as I said before. As and shown step-by-step recipes on how to proceed, they are shown a combination of the first and the second recipe. This way, the recipe can be served all together. And that's a wrap about Tastic. Thank you so much for watching.